Yo, what up? It's D here. Welcome back to the channel. It's August 6th, 2023. I'm out at Bro MX with a couple buddies, the Candidas boys, riding my 350 here. This is a rut track, real deep ruts. If you want to practice ruts, here's the place for you. I did the B practice today because there was a lot of pros here. You had Dakotas, Williams, Harrington, and there was another handful of them. They were all out here practicing, so didn't want to get in their way. This track facility, it's a short lap time. It's a 2.5 hour ride for me to get up here. I'd say this is under a minute lap, but it's pretty fun. There's a lot of ruts. I've never seen something like this. They rip it and water the hell out of it. I believe that those pro guys are here practicing for a Unadilla National. In case it gets all rutted up there, I guess they rip it really deep there too. Not for J-Day, I was just there. It was rock hard, but for the Nationals, they rip it. I've seen that firsthand, and you get all these ruts, so it's real good to practice. These ruts, I'm on the struggle bus. It's definitely not my forte. I can't reel any of these. I'm practicing them, so that's why I'm here. I will come back again and give it another fair shot, but to be honest, this is very tedious riding for me. I gotta go slow, but you go slower to get faster and get more comfortable on the bike, being one with the bike. That's my goal today. Just having fun. Sunday, really nice. First weekend that we had like no rain, so took it up. I rode Saturday and Sunday this week. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing a lap with you here once we go through the start stretch. This is owned by a couple, husband, wife, and they do a great job with it. The facility is nice, very friendly people. There's a good amount of people here. It's real small, but they're trying to expand parking and stuff like that so they can do races. But all that, this is North Adams. I never knew North Adams or Florida, Massachusetts existed. So they have like a nice overlook on the way up here. You can pull over and yeah. So that's about it. I'm gonna try to keep this video short. You got me doing a lap here in Rut City, and you have Leo and Max, but Leo's got the GoPro on board with him doing a couple laps also. So I'll tell you what I'm seeing or what I'm working on is just being stable in the ruts, standing up as long as I can, and trying to look forward and get through them. These ones, if you haven't been here, they're really deep, and it's hard to get around, especially that section that I just went by. So here is the start stretch where you get on the track after these ruts. It's a nice straightaway. I'd say I'm on third gear. I'm in third gear on my 350. Going inside rut was preferred here today. That thing had a nice hook on it. That was good. This mound single thingy. Then you got a gradual left. I was trying to rail the outside. You should have heard Jimmy DeCosta's 125 on that. It was zinging. Then you have these ruts going into this left-hander. It's rut. Nice tabletops. There was some good jumps. This section is a triple step down. I didn't do it. I know I can do it. It's easy, but I just didn't nut up to do it today. A rhythm section is a double single. Then a flat track kind of right-hander where you could bite the inside rut. This is all like flat track-ish also. You have this lane. It's a left and a right lane. I'm in the left lane, so you're dedicated to that like a joker lane. The right lane has its own section also. That was pretty dope. Changed it up. You could just pick something different every lap. This left-hander was real rutted up. I liked that one actually. This right-hander right here was my nemesis. That was the one I fell in. That's the longest one. Then you got a table that goes across the front again, and these little ruts, stand-up ruts, third gear, lugging it. Nobody was getting hard on the gas at this track, that's for sure, unless they were in the air. It's all about patience. But yeah, so that's a lap with me at Bro MX. I'm gonna let Leo do a couple laps. You can hear that raw without me talking. Like and subscribe to the channel, please. Help me build the channel. Get some subscribers for me. Excuse me. And yeah, comment, if you want to see something different, or just check me out at the tracks, come visit if you see me there. I'm gonna let this play, and I'll catch you at the next. Later.